Ladies and gentlemen, today on 911 Reviews, we have this amazing Nintendo Entertainment System knockoff. It's called the Family Computer System. It has 500 games, and we're going to play a few of them just for you here on 911 Reviews. So just for the unboxing portion, here's what it looks like up close. Pretty straightforward here device. I actually own a similar device, so we're going to see how it compares with the other ones. Obviously smaller than the original Nintendo Entertainment System, which is fine, it saves room. So here's the connection in the back. AV output to red and yellow. Straightforward, simple. Controllers just plug in on the front.
Shall we play a game?
Oh.
I think I missed them.
Yeah, weird, isn't it?
Alright, so here's the actual menu, and they put the best games towards the front. Super Mario 3, Mega Man, Little Samson, Ninja Gaiden. I used to always call that Ninja Garden. Turtle fighting. There's a little bit of a vertical hold issue, I think that's what that's called. Regardless, it's an interesting system. I'll go ahead and show Super Mario Brothers, which is one of my favorite games, and Double Dragon here in a moment. Admittedly, there's a lot of games that maybe I've never heard of available on the system, but there's also a lot of games that I have, like Tetris and Super Mario 1, 2, and 3. I'll go ahead and put a link to this system in the description below, but I'll put the actual NES version in the description because I don't know that I want to support a knockoff brand necessarily when you can get the real thing as well. The positives is you get a lot of fun games for your buck. The negatives, vertical hold issue, and it's not HDMI. So some positive, some negative. Cool system, definitely worth your money. If you're interested in 80s games, go check it out and check out some of our gameplay videos on our channel 911 Reviews. Thanks for watching and subscribe for new videos every single week. Adios, amigos!